Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing power. Disconnect the battery negative to protect electronics and preserve safety. Once done, remove dash trim and fasteners around the clock. This gives direct access to the clock machine housing. You should photograph connector positions and store screws in a labeled container so reassembly matches original layout. Make sure to note any memory codes for the radio or HVAC controls. This prevents surprises later. This initial access saves time and avoids damaging fragile clips while you now work on removal. Unplug the electrical connector carefully, pressing the release tab to avoid bending pins. Next, support the clock machine to prevent it from dropping and remove the mounting bolts. This keeps internal gears intact. Compare the new unit to the old one to confirm matching connector orientation and mounting points. Once aligned, insert the new clock machine, hand thread bolts to avoid cross-threading, then torque snugly. Make sure the connector seats fully so the clock receives power and signals correctly. Once the new unit is mounted, reconnect the battery negative terminal and immediately verify the clock powers on and keeps time. Set the time per manufacturer instructions. Reinstall trim panels, confirming clips engage flush to avoid rattles. Then test related dash systems, radio presets, HVAC displays, and indicator lights to ensure nothing lost communication. If something fails, make sure to check connector seating, inspect the related fuse, and test ground continuity. This quickly pinpoints common faults and gets you back on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.